Hey guys, I'm so excited. I didn't think I was gonna really have anything to kind of film for you guys this week, but my boxy came in and I figured this was a great opportunity to get a really short, quick little video out this week, even though it's gonna be a bit late, obviously. But yeah, if you guys saw my Facebook post, you will know that I had a small incident with my contacts and some jalapeno juice, so I could not record this weekend. It was a mess. I couldn't wear my contacts for 3 days, and I had to actually get a fresh pair. Um, and I was on my trial pair, of course, so I had to get a fresh pair from my eye doctor until my actual contacts come in. So, yeah, that's a thing. But this came in today. I'm super excited. I know, like as always, I know a few of the things that I will be getting, but not everything. Ooh, struggling with the scissors today. So there are going to be a couple of surprises in here, and we'll see how that goes. Ooh, there, that was my laptop. Let's not hit the laptop with the scissors again, shall we? Yeah, this is my favorite part of the month, I swear. Okay, so this month's theme is alter ego. Here's a little card. Ooh, this one has a 10% off your next purchase from It Cosmetics. That's kind of nifty. But yeah, we'll see what's in this bad boy. All right. So the first thing that I see is a lip product. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lolita. Let's see if I can get into this thing. And this is a full-size product, and it retails for $20. Ooh, this is interesting. This is like a pinky nude, maybe? Swatch this on the back of my hand. This is almost identical to the color I'm actually wearing. It looks very similar. It's got a little more brown in it. It's kind of a brown pink nude color. I've been wanting to try out this formula. I've heard really good things about it, so that'll be interesting to try. Trash down there with the rest of the trash. And the next thing that I see is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I knew I was getting a Kat Von D liquid lip. I also knew I was getting this. I did not realize it wasn't a trial size. This is huge. I've heard mixed things about this. People either really love it or really hate it. So we'll see how it goes for me. I have like uncurlable lashes, so we'll see. Here's the tube. It's huge and bulky and tall. This retails for $24. Give your lashes superhero powers in just one coat. Lash changing power brush wraps every lash from base to tip for super volume, super length, and super elastic stretch. So that's that. That's going to be interesting to try as well. I can't wait to try both of these. I might actually try to come up with a look where I can wear both of these tomorrow to work. What is this? Lace Appeal Dermovia Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. 2 lace masks. Compression for deep exfoliation. Peel intensity level medium. That's this. This retails for $30. This feels very strange in the packaging. I feel like there's like a container or something in here. Oh, a peel paste? Interesting. This looks like it's going to be a very unique mask experience. Alright, gonna have to take a quick coffee break here. Alright, we also have the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for Boxycharm. This retails for $22. Let's see if I can see what it smells like or something. Oh, that's interesting. It's a cleanser, but let's see if I can get it in a decent light. But it just looks solid. It feels solid too. It feels kind of like a chapstick. It smells I don't even know. I'm not even sure what it smells like. Like oils, essential oils, kind of, honestly. Oh, oh, hello. Kind of melts when you touch it. Facial cleansing balm. Gently massage onto dry skin. Interesting. So this is a makeup remover. I thought it was going to actually be a cleanser when I heard about it. And the last part of this particular one. Ooh, bubble wrap. That's some sad bubble wrap. It's all popped already. In the trash area with you. Ooh, this is really pretty packaging. This is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This retails for $38. Wow. We're going to get in here. It has 6 eyeshadow shades. And it looks like a blush, or 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlight, or a blush, a bronzer, and 2 different highlights. I'm not sure yet. We'll see once I get this open. If I get it open. But like, look how pretty that is. I love that. Midnight Masquerade. Oof. Alright, struggle bus, riding on the struggle bus. Let's get it open. Ooh, ooh, this feels like it's pretty. It looks like it's pretty, rather. Can't even talk today. Yep, it's the same pretty packaging. And it's yellow inside. Ooh. Okay. That's not what I thought it was at all. It even comes with a mirror. That's kind of nice. So we've got a highlight and bronzer, and then we've got these 2 blush shades, though I don't know if I could actually pull that off as a blush. I'd probably use it as an eyeshadow. And we have 1 matte and 5 shimmer shades. Let's do a little bit of swatching, shall we, my friends? See if I can get this off. This feels very luxurious. Like it's very heavy, and I think this is magnetic. Yep, magnetic closure, which is always kind of nice. And the plastic bits were taped on. I think I might save one. Let me try to use this soon. Not gonna have enough fingers for this. Ooh, that highlight is very pretty, but it's like really hard to see in this light. It's very like golden shimmer. Yeah, I can't swatch it with the weirdness of the light. Let's see if I turn that off. See it better? No? Okay. I'm gonna turn that back on because it makes the balances the light a little better. But needless to say, it's very pretty, and I will definitely be talking a little bit more about it in my blog post about these products. Let's try the bronzer. Okay, this is a shimmer bronzer. We're gonna see how that works on me. Oh, that's nice. It's warm, but not. There's gotta be a way I can do this that doesn't involve funky lighting. There we go, and you can kind of see that highlight up here. So there's a bronzer. It's very shimmery. I'm not sure if that color is gonna work very well for me as a bronzer, but you know what? We're gonna try it at some point. We've got a blush. This one's called, the highlighter is called Twilight. The bronzer is called Enchantment. This blush is called Hidden Secret. It's very pink. It's like a bright pink. And I think it looks very matte. And we have the purplier blush called Reveal. Yeah, that's very dark. That looks more like it'd be better if it was an eyeshadow on me, I believe. And now we're going to do the eyeshadows. This silver one is called Exposed. It doesn't swatch very well. It looks like it's just flat glitter, which is really hard to see in this light. Oop, that's a little better. Yeah, it just looks like flat silver glitter. I'm not sure how well that shade's going to perform. Again, we'll see once it, how it performs on the eyes. Swatches don't tell the whole story ever. Sneak Peek. It's brown. Yeah, this lighting is absolutely horrific. That's Sneak Peek, the matte brown. Showtime, a blue shimmer. That's a pretty color. And these shimmers seem pretty subtle, like they're kind of glittery, but they're not like, most of them aside from that silver one don't look like they're going to be excessively glittery. So we might end up with something a little easier to work with. This one's called Mask Off. I don't really know how to describe it, like a yellow, green, gold kind of a color. It's like none and all of them at the same time. Like kind of an old gold sort of a shade. And then this one, Pink Shimmer, is called Disguise. That's really pretty. And this gray shimmer is called 12 a.m. Well, that's a nice color. That's interesting. I don't know what I would do with it, but it's interesting. I like it. Okay, so it's the Midnight Masquerade palette. I can't tell you exactly right offhand what the value of this whole box is. I will have it down below. Yeah, that's all for this Boxycharm. I'm sorry I didn't get a better video this week and that this is all there is, but you know, you make do with what you can. So yeah, that's all I've got for you today. Just so you're aware, a tutorial on this look, this eye look, will be going up on Tuesday. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you know immediately when it comes out. And, you know, give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video and you want to see more like it. So yeah, I